If you've been watching our channel, you know we've had some major life changes recently. It started with us selling the home we'd raised our kids in and moving from there into our RV. The day before we moved, my mom fell and broke her leg. She ended up needing surgery and then spending the next little while in a care center. While she was there, my dad asked Brian and I if we could make their bedroom more wheelchair accessible, so we got to work. We knocked down a wall and removed the carpet along with our old bathtub. We installed new flooring and made a shower that my mom's wheelchair could fit into without any problems. We redesigned their closet and just gave everything a deep clean. It was a lot of work, but we were able to finish right as my mom returned home. The shower is massive, but so wheelchair friendly. In his spare time, my husband also took to refinishing our desk. This is a great solid wood desk that we have had for years, but it was in need of a new finish. I think it turned out amazing. I'll try to remember to show the entire desk when we move into our house. If you're interested in seeing more videos on making old furniture new again or other remodeling tips, just let me know in the comment section. Until our house is finished, we are spending the next few months in a one-bedroom apartment. It's like we're newlyweds again. We've come full circle. It's been nice to live so close to some of our kids and grandkids. We are literally just doors away from them. It's also nice to have a little more space than we had in the RV, but it will be fabulous to one day get into our house and get our stuff out of storage. As we were designing our new house, we were able to put all that wheelchair accessible knowledge that we had learned from remodeling at my parents' to very good use. I'll show you some of the design changes that we made in an upcoming video. Thanks for watching.